Hey there folks, this is DMC Jedi Man. I'm coming to you with another video. Today's another taste test, but before I reveal what it is, don't forget if you like my content, be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay notified when I upload. Check out my gaming channel sometime if you like video game Let's Plays, and feel free to follow DMC Jedi Man's Den on social media. I'm currently on Facebook, Twitter, Discord, and Blue Sky. Links, as always, will be in the description below. So today I'm trying the new Hershey Kisses Café Moka or Moka. I'm assuming it's pronounced Mocha, like mocha coffee, but I could be wrong. Definitely curious about these. You know, they were kind of pricey, so unless they're like the best things I've ever had, I probably won't go out of my way to get them again, but yeah, they definitely have a very strong coffee scent to them. They're not bad. Probably couldn't see myself, downing the whole bag in one sitting. Definitely can't see myself going out of my way to buy them again, but I do, I don't regret that I got them, at least. The coffee taste is fairly strong, but not too strong. I think if you like coffee, you'll probably like these even more than I do. About the only thing I like for coffee is things like frappuccinos, maybe mochachinos. I don't know if I've ever had one of those. And of course the, ever favorite and popular choice of children, coffee milk, where you take coffee and you add lots of sugar and milk to it. But yeah, that was Café Moka Hershey Kisses. Not bad. Wouldn't go out of my way to get them again, but I'll certainly enjoy the rest of the bag. I hope everyone did enjoy this taste test, though. I will be back with another soon. Till next time, this has been DMC Jedi Man, and I am signing off. Peace, everybody.